LPG costs are forcing small food businesses to make adjustments in operations. From smaller portions to cost-cutting measures, carinderias are finding ways to stay afloat. Mobile Journal Fatima Baduria has this report.
Eatery owners and staff have begun feeling the impact of the energy crisis as the price increase in petroleum products feeds into LPG costs. While other eateries have increased their food rates, Cherry has decided to retain the prices that regulars have been accustomed to. But to avoid operating at a loss, Cherry says she had to decrease the amount of food per serving.
Every week nag-order kami ng gasol. So every week din nagtataas ang presyo niya. Ang ginagawa na lang namin, yung takal namin medyo mas mababa. Kasi ayun yung nakasanayang na presyo dito.
Aside from giving smaller serving, they also started saving electricity to cut back on bills. The same goes for Monique, but she is still struggling to make ends meet.
Kung kumikita ka ng 800 sa isang araw, sa karinderyang maliit lang. Ako kasi ang niluluto ko lang, 6 to 7 dishes lang a day. Meron ako at least 800. Ngayon, ano na lang, 500, 400. Ganun para makasurvive lang.
An 11-kilogram LPG tank would only last her 10 days with her eatery. To save, she has resorted to using her electric rice cooker even for other food items.
Nagawa ko, meron akong rice cooker na malaki. Doon ako nagpapalambot ng karne, naglalaga ng mais. Doon ako nagaano para at least medyo tipid ako sa gas. Yung kuryente naman, kasi yung kuryente naman, pagdating naman ng bill, pwede mo naman hindi kagad bayaran yan, di ba? Makakaipon ka. Hindi kagaya ng gas, out ka kagad ng cash.
Hoping to bring business back to normal, Monique could not help but feel emotional as she seeks action from the government.
Siguro dapat tulungan tayo ng gobyerno, di ba? Gawa naman nila ng paraan yung pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kasi parang wala silang pakialam. Hindi nila nararamdaman yung hirap ng ordinaryong mamamayan.
While there has been a rollback in LPG prices following the cut on excise tax, it is still a long way from its rates before the energy crisis, where one tank costs less than 1,000 pesos. Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.